Alright guys, this video is going to be on how to fix your RK61 keyboard, the Royal Kludge, if it is continually disconnecting. The reason I'm making this video is because one of the top reviews on Amazon is actually specifically talking about how the RK61 has a problem in that it often disconnects. A lot of people attribute it to a faulty Bluetooth component. What I found and what was a couple of other people's problems, it's actually a problem with Windows 10. And the fix for it is quite easy. So before you go returning the keyboard or anything like that, I encourage you to try this fix. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up your Windows menu, go to Device Manager. Let's full screen this. Come on over here to Bluetooth and open up that menu. Now on your screen you might have a lot of different options for what you think are going to be the different Bluetooth managers. It might be something called generic Bluetooth radio. For me it's Intel wireless Bluetooth. So what you can do is you can click through each one of these and you can do what I'm about to show you. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to just try and find the one that you click on Properties. Come on over to Power Management, and for you, what I'm guessing is if your RK61 isn't working, is that this button is going to be checked, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, and that is not what you want. You want this to be off. The reason being is what happens here is that your computer is turning off your Bluetooth keyboard automatically in order to save power, and that's why you have to disconnect and repair it every single time that happens. But if you turn that setting off and you click OK, you should be good to go now, and your keyboard will no longer be automatically turned off. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you, and if not, I can try and figure out something else.